Today is May the 8th, Thursday of 2014. We're setting the floor slabs over the basement wall. Today is Friday, May the 9th, 2014. This is the shot of the floor. They've got all the hollow core panels set for the floor, and now they're setting up the columns to go up to the ceiling of the first floor. This is Wednesday, May the 14th of 2014. They're installing the beams for the roof joist to set on. It's Friday, May the 30th of 2014, approximately 4 o'clock in the morning. We're pouring the topping on the hollow core over the basement. Friday, May the 30th of 2014. They're just finishing up the topping. It's approximately 7 o'clock in the morning. Today is Wednesday, June the 4th of 2014. They're installing the waterproof material over the outside of the basement wall. This will be all the way around the